Amen.
It does you when a mama Nancy. You see the ma put a roll on your armpit. Chev it very well. Chev webo. Una sime kuloku. Why? Sasasi renga fuma. You are smelling well from head to toe. Your husband will like to make love. This is Tuesday program, please. If you're not mature, to go home. This is pregnant and awaiting mother. That is how you will be smelling. Your husband will be attracted easily because you are smelling fine. You are smelling good. Man, a good fragrance is fine. You dress well sometimes. You look smart for your husband. You put a fantastic perf on your body. When you are going, you walk, you twat in a romantic way. There are some ladies that don't know how to walk. They are eating shawarma. Shawarma, swallow. They are very fat. Every time, give me 1 cup of water. Give me 1 cup of water. She drinks everything drinkable. Shawarma. She cannot even walk well. She's already adding. And her husband married her when she was slim. The husband loves slim women. And he married her because she's slim. If the woman is wise, you know the man likes slim girls. You should maintain your slimness. If your husband married you because you're fat, you must maintain that. Because that thing he liked before he married you, if you are careless not to pay attention to it, if you change, the man will change psychologically. Am I speaking to my people here?
Yes, sir.
You see the girl, you begin to eat shawarma, swallow, tea. You know, just demo batala, demo. The man, you will begin to irritate the man. You will begin to irritate him. He will be coming to you only when he wants to make love with you. But if he's some ladies that are smart, you know what your man like. You maintain that for him. If you are neat and put your perf on your body, sometimes you will look good and dress well. He will look at you. He think you are going out. He said, no. You just dress and stay at home. Men would like something beautiful. And if you want to work for him, you know how to twat very well. All for your husband. Hello. 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 Am I communicating? To maintain your home. To maintain your home. You don't live yourself. I am married. I am married. Marriage is just the starting point. Am I communicating?
Yes, sir.
You look neat. Smell well. Make a good love to your partner. Don't listen to nonsense. Some people said, Ebuka Obi, he has not married, but he's teaching marriage. They are ignorant. When God made me a father, he has given me what it takes to educate my people. Do you think it's easy to make somebody a father of millions? He has given me what it takes. Reverend fathers that wed you in the church, are they married? Sleep with your partner very well. Sex is important. Why you go piache yuku? Sleep with him in the way that if he's going to market, he will be carrying his hand. Oh, amake boom. Hey, amake boom. Amake boom. Hey, amaka. He said, "I want Brahma." Amake boom. Omozayonine we chilia kelube Ebuka Obi na delele that day he's going to market and he's holding his waist, will he cheat on you that day? He will recover from the one you have done to him. And every day, so far you are not seeing your period, make sure you sleep with your husband. Listen, so far you are not seeing your period, make sure you sleep with him every day. Seduce him. Even when he's not in the mood, bring out everything that make you a woman. Piawayuku. Oh, when I'm going, even if the house is dirty, purposely, mistakenly allow water to pour there. Go and carry more. Oh, no, Napala, he journey we are not there, in a more bowl. From mopping the house, you will see, you must have the button of your husband. Every man will have a weakness, weak point. Monitor your husband's weak point. Remember that men move with what they see. That is why a man can be going with his wife. One girl with one big bonbon will be passing. Oh, JJ, you know when you're so. Jesus. Men move with what they see, where women move with what they hear. Just tell a woman now, oh, you are the most beautiful woman. That is why a man that needs to know his wife must also be romantic. Because women move with what they hear. They don't need to see to believe. But men move with what they see.